Hello! In front of me I've got Oppo Find X3 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's enter settings and go to display and brightness. In here we've got all your settings for the display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change between light and dark mode. Change brightness level and enable or disable auto brightness. Next, you can enable or disable eye comfort mode, auto rotate screen, and change auto screen off between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. Then, we can change color temperature between warm, cool and default, enable or disable all SIE visual effect, change font and display size, screen color mode between vivid and gentle, and screen refresh rate between 90 Hz and 60 Hz. Also, you can change screen display to hide notch in apps and to display full screen by apps. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.